Smoking is a severely detrimental habit which leads to numerous negative consequences on your health. Therefore, when you decide to quit smoking, everything in the body experiences great improvements, from the top to the bottom. We will explain this process in stages. The beginning of improvements. 20 minutes after your last cigarette, the pulse and the blood pressure are normalized. Return to normal. After only 8 hours, the carbon monoxide levels in the blood neutralize, as well as the levels of oxygen. Low heart attack risk. After only 24 hours, the risk of a heart attack is lowered. Restored sensual perception. After 48 hours, the senses of taste and smell are improved, and the nerve endings begin to regrow. Improved circulation. Between the period of 2 weeks and 3 months, the blood circulation is improved, and walking becomes easier. Moreover, the function of the lungs is increased up to 30%. Easier breathing. After 1 to 9 months, the body regains its energy, and the issues with a shortness of breath, coughs, and sinus congestion are reduced. Cilia start regrowing in the lungs and thus cleanse them and lower the risk of infections. Improved heart health. After a year, the risk of coronary heart disease in non-smokers is twice lower than that of a smokers. Lower cancer risk. After 5 years, the risk of throat, mouth, and esophageal cancer in non-smokers is half that of smokers, and the rate of lung cancer death is twice lower than that of average smokers. Lower risk of lung cancer. After 10 years after one quit smoking, the lung cancer death rate is comparable to a non-smoker's, since the precancerous cells are replaced. Moreover, the risk of bladder, kidney, throat, mouth, esophageal, and pancreatic cancer is significantly lower. Reversal. After 15 years, the risk of heart diseases is the same as in the case of a non-smoker,